All right, so I want to show you some quick yogurt preps that I do. I can eat this every day. My kids, I'll give it to them a couple times a week, but they will each get, they really like the strawberries, and the kids like the vanilla Greek yogurt. So some key things to look at with your, yogurts in general, the Greek yogurts, is that there's less, sometimes there's a lot of sugar and low protein. A good goal is like 14 to 15 grams for every 6 ounces. The kids won't eat 6 ounces, but I will. And then for mine, I do wild blueberries. This is weighed out, so that way I have my macro count. And this is 70 grams of wild blueberries, and I use the Greek yogurt, just the plain. And again, the macros on here is only 6 sugars for 8 total carbs, and then 17 grams of protein for 6 ounces. So that is a really great macro ratio. If your Greek yogurt that's plain is more like 8 or 9, it's just not one that you want to buy. So these are from Aldi. If you have an Aldi, they're like the best buy. My next favorite is Chobani. And then from there, it's the one with an F, like Fege or however you say it. So anyways, have your handy dandy scale. And then go ahead and for mine, put it to ounces. You push tare, so that way whatever's on here, you're sitting at 0. And then go ahead and put your 6 ounces in there. Oops. So that's exactly 6 ounces. Now when you do these in advance, you always want the fruit on the bottom, and then you want to cover the fruit. That is a pro tip. If you do not cover the fruit, especially strawberries, they can likely mold. So always just cover the fruit completely, and then clean your spatula so that way the yogurt you weighed isn't on there. And then so you have your covered. Obviously put your lid on here. Take the lid out. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do for all the yogurts. Then obviously for the kids I'm just gonna put the appropriate amount of yogurt, probably half full, cover it so all the strawberries are covered. So with the kids' yogurt, this is my favorite. It's an organic chocolate strawberry. This tastes really good with this mixture. And then my favorite for the plain yogurt with the wild blueberries, I like the wild because they're smaller and they're so full of flavor, is this Kind granola, the blueberry vanilla. And me personally, I don't need to add any stevia, even though I'm using plain Greek yogurt, because there's enough flavor from the blueberries and the granola. But that you can do, of course, according to how you like it. So what I do for easy, we want everything like ready to grab, easy to go. For me, I personally, because I'm just go, I just have these little cups, and then I'm gonna weigh out one, I think it's 1 ounce. 30 grams. So just shy of 1 ounce. I'm gonna switch it to grams here. Go through, there we go, grams, so 30 grams. So I'll do 1 full serving of the granola. This is great granola. Both of them have minimal ingredients. They're more natural ingredients, so I really love that. And I just love that it's a cleaner carb. We need our carbs for energy, for our brain and everything, so don't feel like you need to cut out something you really, really enjoy. So these will just go in the pantry ready to go, so that way I can have my snack instead of getting out the scale and getting out the granola. It's just literally go to the fridge, go to the cupboard, grab, dump and mix, and you're ready to go. And then of course for the kids, depending on what they want for the day, I'll just go to the cupboard and add a little granola quick. So hopefully that's a helpful tip for a snack. I have 6 of them here for myself, so basically every day of the week minus Sunday, just because Sunday I'll be at church for when I typically have my morning snacks. Then when we get home, I want lunch. So that is an idea. And if you're not one to, eat the same snack every day, or maybe you just don't want blueberry every day, you can intermix them. If you are going to eat strawberries but you don't want the extra sugar carbs from the vanilla yogurt, what is really good, and I promise it covers up any of the plain Greek yogurt flavor, is add 2 packets to your 6 ounces of plain Greek yogurt if you're doing strawberries with yours, to have it sweeter, because strawberries do not sweeten the plain Greek yogurt like the blueberries do. I don't know why, I've just trialed and errored it, and you definitely need 2 packets of stevia with the strawberries and plain Greek yogurt. So, all right, hope those tips help, and I'll be coming out with more snack and meal ideas.